Hello, everybody. This is Jim Okrasinski with your Week 6 Screencast video. So, as we move through the Chapter 1 discussion boards on our way to finding a research topic, this week, will put together our formal research proposal. That is exercise 1.5 in the Curious Researcher. I have this due on Friday, the 23rd. Let everybody develop this discussion board post, and I consider this to be an important post because it does set the direction for the remainder of the semester. This particular topic you will be researching and writing about from the end of this week all the way straight through to the end of the semester with the research essay. So, just to take a look at the module here, just to want to run through some of the information for the proposal. Here I provide some real interesting pages here for you to read in chapter 1 that'll help lead up into the discussion board post exercise 1.5. So if you can, please read through this carefully before writing your post. I'm looking for about 300, 350 words. More importantly, I'm looking for 2 to 3 internet sources to help you develop your content and that can be used toward future research of your research topic if it's relevant to your topic. All right, so try to look for something a little bit substantial. I asked for internet sources. This could be internet articles, reputable web pages, certainly a source material that can help you develop and move from, your working knowledge to a more focused knowledge as we lean into the annotated bibliography and also the research essay. All right. So you might want to check the schedule. See the due dates for those particular assignments. About midweek, I'll put together the usual lecture video. I'll talk a little bit about topics. More so than that, I'll kind of lay out the timeline for the rest of the semester and look at the annotated bibliography and all that is developed there. That should be opened in the modules tabs if you want to take a look and read ahead. So that being said, that looks like week 6. If anybody has any questions or issues, please send me an email. Good luck.